What's up, guys? It's Cooking with Mark. I'm going to show you guys how to make the easiest macaroni and cheese in the world. I swear it's the easiest, but it's really easy. We're going to use the Instant Pot. So what we're going to do is we're going to use that's right. You use chicken stock. This is 4 cups of chicken stock. We're going to make a double batch, so we're going to use 8 cups of chicken stock. Okay, 8 cups of chicken stock in here. Okay, so we got 8 cups of chicken stock. We got the Instant Pot cooked on pressure cook high. I already turned it on. Hot sauce, just a dash, maybe like a tablespoon or so. We're not even measuring it. If you want to measure it, go ahead. Some garlic salt. Don't use a lot. See that? Some black pepper. Half a stick of butter, roughly half a stick of butter. At least use a half a stick butter in there. Then you're going to use 2 boxes of these noodles. If you're doing a half a batch, it'd be 4 cups of chicken broth and some noodles. Use whatever kind of noodles you want. This is the kind I'm using. These kind. Okay, so you want 2 boxes of that. Another box in there. And there's 2 boxes of noodles. So we're going to pressure cook it on high. Put the lid on. Make sure your valve's loose. Make sure everything looks good. Go ahead and pressure cook it on high. We're going to set this on 6 minutes. Okay, 6 minutes. 6 minutes we'll add the rest of the stuff. 6 minutes. Hey, I'm down here. 6 minutes we'll add the rest of the stuff. And we'll finish it up. But this is the easiest macaroni and cheese you're ever going to make. And we'll be back in 6 minutes. See you guys. Thanks for watching. I exaggerate a little bit. When I said see you in 6 minutes, if you mess with an Instant Pot, you know that it probably took 10 minutes before it got up to pressure, before it started the countdown. Right now it's on warm. We cooked them for 6 minutes. Whoops, don't do that. Cooked them for 6 minutes. And now what we have to do is we got to relieve some of the pressure. To relieve some of the pressure, I usually just put a little washcloth over this valve, and we'll just manually let it go. So we let the steam out. Now we can actually take the lid off. Let's see what it looks like here. If you look in here, you can see these noodles. Yeah, there's some juice in there, some chicken broth juice, but that's okay. It's fine that it's in there. It's not that big of a deal. The noodles are cooked. I can tell just by looking at them. So what I'm going to do is for each batch, if you do one batch, it's about 3 cups of cheese. I'm doing a double batch, like I said. So I'm doing, oops, spilling the cheese all over the place. So I'm going to use about 5 cups of cheese, 2.5 bags. You can use milk, skim milk, whatever kind of milk you want. So that's 5 cups of cheese. One batch would be 2.5 cups of cheese. I'm using half and half. No exact measurement on the milk. It's how creamy and moist or wet you want it. And just stir this around. So you want to stir this around real good. Like I said, however much milk you use depends upon how how creamy you want your macaroni and cheese. And what I like to do is take some sour cream, a spoonful. Like I said, we're not measuring anything. You really don't have to measure anything except for the cheese, the chicken broth, and the noodles. Stir this around here. Half and half, skim milk, whatever you like. Make it a little more creamier. Let me show you what this looks like. Cheesy, creamy, delicious. That's it. That's my macaroni and cheese. Easiest macaroni and cheese you'll make in the world. Hope you like it. The video, I hope you like the macaroni and cheese. Alright, see you guys later. Thanks for watching. See you later.